Hi, and welcome to the bull station here in Norway. I'm Turi, and today I'm going to present to you one of our top bulls, 11690 Roen. 11690 Roen is an outstanding daughter-proven sire that is popular in the US, UK, China, and many more markets. Let's talk about why. He is an excellent all-around sire with excellent daughter production, especially solids yield and fat percentages. Some other great traits he has is excellent udder conformation, mastitis resistance, and daughter fertility. Roen is also tremendous for calving ease, making him a perfect bull to use on maiden heifers. His daughters are medium-sized, making him one of our best bulls on our feed-save trait. This means crossing him with a Holstein would help dramatically to lower maintenance feed requirements. And the icing on the cake is his A2. Roen is the perfect match for high production herds and if you're looking to improve health and fertility.